This is also Sunday morning, Father's Day, and I'm in the west-facing bedrooms here. I've put up the little protectors and drilled the holes, but I didn't really put in the junction boxes or run the wire yet. Theoretically, this part here will be the upstairs bathroom someday. Probably the interesting thing to know is on the outside of this, there is a gable there. Well, that's where the addition is. And I took some white spray paint and made this white line. The idea being on the upper part and to the right, it needs to have foam because that's an exterior facing portion of this surface. But down here, foaming is not needed because that's actually an interior wall. And at some point I'll bring the ladder back inside, go all the way up to the top where the two of them join. It's a waste of foam and a waste of effort to foam an interior side where it's open and doors are there. So that's kind of it. So I'm probably going to build some baffles there to kind of help keep where's the end of the foam when they do the foaming. I completely removed the boards that were up here as well. This is the area of the biggest mouse turd cascades that we had. So this part will be easy enough to access when they do the foam. Then one of the things they want you to do is to make sure it's as clean as it can be. And so like I went through the gutters here, which is, down in this area, and removed all that. And then also, this shows you where I made the corners. And one of the things that I did when I made the corners was to put some string in there so that you can see that the two of them connect. And there's like little tricks to how to pull the wire through, but basically you put in a piece of thin diameter rope or string like I have there and attach it to the wire and then kind of noodle the wire through to get it so that it goes around the corner. And that's kind of like the little trick. Some of these were harder to do than others, and all that stuff. So, but basically, here's the rest of it. And we're looking over to the other bedroom. I'll do a separate one for that. Catch you later.